Is your Apple TV box unexpectedly turning off? This common issue is often related to power settings and auto sleep functionality. Let's explore how to adjust these settings to prevent unwanted shutdowns. By default, Apple TV automatically goes to sleep after a period of inactivity. This timer typically ranges from 15 minutes to 4 hours, depending on your model and current settings. To address sleep timer issues, first navigate to Settings, then General. You'll find the Sleep After option in the General menu. In the Sleep After menu, you can temporarily set the timer to Never for testing purposes, or select a more appropriate duration for your usage patterns. This adjustment often prevents unwanted shutdowns. Another potential cause is HDMI CEC conflicts, where your TV's power management interferes with the Apple TV. To resolve this, navigate to Settings, then Remotes and Devices. In the Remotes and Devices menu, find Control TVs and Receivers and turn it off. This prevents your TV's power management from interfering with your Apple TV's sleep behavior. Background app refresh can sometimes cause power issues. Apps running in the background may interfere with sleep functionality. You can disable background refresh for problematic apps by going to Settings, General, then Background App Refresh. These three adjustments can often prevent unwanted Apple TV shutdowns. Start with the sleep timer settings, then address HDMI CEC conflicts, and finally manage background app refresh for any problematic applications. When basic power settings adjustments don't resolve your Apple TV issues, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. The first step is performing a soft reset, which can resolve many software-related power problems. To perform a soft reset, simultaneously hold the menu and home buttons on your Siri remote for exactly 6 seconds. This forces the Apple TV to restart without losing any of your settings or data. If the soft reset doesn't solve the problem, the next step is a factory reset. This will restore your Apple TV to its original settings, so you'll need to set it up again afterward. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset, and finally select Reset All Settings. This process will erase all your personal data and return the device to factory defaults. For the most severe software issues, you may need to use DFU mode recovery. This requires connecting your Apple TV to a computer with Apple Configurator 2 installed. DFU stands for Device Firmware Update Mode. This allows you to completely restore the Apple TV's firmware using Apple Configurator 2 on a Mac computer. This is typically a last resort for software-related power issues. Overheating is a common cause of power issues, especially in older Apple TV units. When the device gets too hot, it may shut down automatically to protect its internal components. To prevent overheating, ensure your Apple TV has at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. Keep the ambient temperature below 95 degrees Fahrenheit and clean the ventilation ports monthly to remove dust buildup. If all software troubleshooting steps fail, you may be dealing with a hardware problem. This is particularly common in Apple TV units that are more than 3 years old, where internal components may have degraded over time. Common hardware issues include failing power supply units, degraded internal components, and thermal management problems. If your Apple TV is still under warranty, contact Apple support. Otherwise, you may need professional repair or device replacement.